Hello everybody, this is Sonia. Now I've got another entry in my tag challenge. This one comes from Vancouver, WA, but that's in America, isn't it? Is that in America? Must be, I'd say. I don't know. It says, I've got no idea. It could be Australia. I don't know these things. Well, we've got USA stamps, so that's where it comes from. And this one is from Susan Turcotte, Turcotte. Thank you very much, Susan. I will open this. It says fragile on it. Oh dear, now I've torn it. It's alright. It's what I do, isn't it? I've been procrastinating today. The mama just bought these and then I had to get it off my backside and do something, didn't I? I don't know what. I'll tell you all about it shortly, okay? Right, now we've got a nice parcel there and a letter. I like a letter. Let me have a quick look and I'll just tell you an odd detail or two, if need be. And when did she started watching? Enjoy watching your early videos beginning in 2013. Oh, thank you. Oh, that's good when people go back and have a look at what I did before. Because I've done a few bits and pieces, yeah. She's been a stubby of mine for several months now, so, and she does like learning, journaling and stuff like that. So thank you very much, Sue. I don't know if you like to be called Sue or Susan. There's so many Susan in the crafting world, there really is. This is a good idea. Put that in that cozy. So it's look, I got some serviettes. Oh, I do love serviettes. Oh, look. Oh, lots of them. Wow, look at that. Oh dear, isn't that pretty? Oh, and the bird one. Oh, these are nice, aren't they? Look at these before I look at your tag. Look at the pretty birds. Oh, that's cool. Thank you very much. They're nice. And this one, lovely butterflies on this one. Love the blue. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. Well, these are different to what you usually get when they have one square of each thing, aren't they? These have got some nice bits on them. Thank you very much. These are really nice. Thank you. I need to do a little bit more with these sort of things, don't I? I do. But, nice when we're moving your tag over. I should be showing everybody that first, shouldn't I? That was not nice of me, was it? Oh dear. Will you forgive me for this, please, Susan? Look at this first. And then I'll look at your beautiful tag. Look at that. Isn't it nice? Wow, I do love this. Isn't that pretty? It says cute bird. And then flowers. Look at these little butterflies, three-dimensional. Wow. And there's your information on the back of it. This is really pretty, isn't it? I do love this. Yeah. I don't know if that's a washi tape or something you've got down the side of there, but there's a nice trim down there. I'm not going to pick at it to see if it is either, I promise you. Lovely butterflies, nice piece of lace up the top, and that is beautiful tag, and beautiful serviettes, which I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I just feel a bit off today. I don't know what's wrong with me. I'm sorry about this. Thank you very much for these beautiful things and your beautiful entry. I do love that. Thank you so much, and I'll come back and I'll talk to you later. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. Thank you.